Welcome back to another episode of Legal Marketing Moments. I'm Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. Let's talk about overwhelm today. When starting a new project that involves new skills and sometimes new knowledge, it's okay, and it's actually even normal to expect a feeling of overwhelm and sometimes a fear of failure to set in. I talked about this in episode 3 on July 15th when I discussed the feeling of resistance and fear of failure, but overwhelm is also a very common feeling to have at the very early stages of any project. Let's say you're thinking about starting a new practice area, looking for a new position, taking on a management role at the firm, switching practice areas, launching or recording a podcast, recording a video, talking to a difficult person. There are so many things that involve new skills and sometimes new knowledge that it can be a natural feeling to feel overwhelmed, which can lead to pullback or a decision to not move forward or to put it off or to assume that it can't be done or to letting someone else take care of it, to even developing a bad feeling about it. But please don't let those feelings control you, because it's natural to go through what I sometimes call the messy middle and maybe even the complex beginning when you're laying the foundation for what needs to be done. You might have heard me say this before, but no one starts in the middle. It's okay to feel overwhelmed, but it's also okay to keep moving forward with that feeling, to ask for help if you need it, to ask the questions that are on your mind, even if you think they're silly or that someone will judge you over them, and to experience what is on the other side. I mean, after all, there was a good reason you chose to pursue that path in the first place, right? So don't stop. Just keep moving forward. Well, with Legal Marketing Moments, I'm Nancy Myrland. If you need to get a hold of me, you can email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com or go to the contact page on my website, which is myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.